place is, man. So impressive. And they have a view of Vegas out here, which I'm gonna come down the steps here. Oh, come on, check this out. All right, so we're walking into the Formula One arcade right here in Las Vegas. And we're gonna check out this really cool place where you have these cool simulators. And yeah, look at this. Look how fun this looks. This is so cool. My little girl's already at it right now. Wow, this is impressive actually. It's a whole experience here, man. Dining, food, drinks, and everything else. I love it. Well, they have these lighting that's in form of a racetrack. Guess which one this is right here? There's another one over there, another one over there. It's pretty cool, man. They have this play react thing. 5 races up there. Well, pre-runs right now, but I'm more sure they have live games here too. Or live races, better yet. But all the cool lighting impresses me. But this is so nice, man. Look at that bar. That is really cool. This is what they call the briefing room. You come in here, they have all the cool helmets up there. Look at that. Wow. This is really impressive, guys. And they have a view of Vegas out there. Let's even get a closer look at that. Oh, you can come in here. Oh, we're gonna go out there right now.
But first, let's get some B-roll action.
And they have a view of Vegas out here, which I'm gonna come down the steps here. Oh, come on, check this out. Look at this. Wow, how cool is this? Oh my goodness. A view of the strip right out here in Vegas. The Caesar Palace right here, guys. This is awesome. All these cool statues and stuff. Wow, the Eiffel Tower and then that cool Paris globe over there. This is nice. This is nice. She's enjoying her time. I'm enjoying my time. This is nice. Wow. Cool view with the balcony here. I like that. Formula One arcade up there. So you guys already know, this is the Vegas Strip right here. This is the Caesar Palace right here. And then come check out this place, F1 Arcade. They have a cool terrace up here. So, what do you think about this place? This is freaking cool. You get to simulate some races here in a really, actually all the tracks that they offer. Now we're gonna go to their gift shop over here and check out more stuff over here. This is where they have some of the hats that they sell here at this F1 Arcade. Well, I think I like this one a lot. I like the back of it. I like kind of like the trucker style hat with the little open vents for my bald head. But I like that hat. After you're done with the Formula One arcade, guys, now we're gonna go explore the mall over here and look at other stuff. But look how cool these water features are. Look at that. That is so pretty. It goes all the way down, cascade down to the next waterfall. Look at that. That's so nice. So we're gonna head this way and continue on. That's impressive. Look at that. Life-size Optimus Prime. And then they have the Ferrari stallion over here. We have a Bumblebee. Look at that. That's so impressive, man. This is a cool store. Very cool store.
Now it's time to see some supercars. Let's go. So we're here at Vegas Auto Gallery in Las Vegas, where this place has some of the coolest cars here in Las Vegas, guys. They really do. As you can see, we have a beautiful Ferrari Roma sitting up there. Then we have a Loudest in Mira. Look how beautiful that is. That color is epic, guys. We're gonna go inside in a few minutes here and check this out. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at that interior. Nicely done, Porsche. Oh yeah. And then we have a Ferrari over here. Look at this. Look how beautiful that looks. Another Porsche. McLaren back in that corner. And then we have Another McLaren that I absolutely love and I like, the Elva. Guys, you know this car is special. I think it's cool. I think it's unique. We saw the one over at McLaren Chicago in all carbon fiber exposed, really beautiful. This one has a beautiful red interior, and it's got that white paint on the outside and looks so sexy. That's the only way I'm gonna describe it. Look at that. Gotta get a shot of all the angles of this car. I love the engineering of the exhaust. Look at that, 2 at the top, 2 in the middle. That's so cool. You guys know why they do that, right? For extra, I guess, exhaust notes to be more powerful and louder. Look at the intakes. Oh my goodness. This is a gorgeous car, guys. All that carbon fiber. Look at those vents, side vents. Very nice, very nice. I like the carbon fiber, how clean and how agile it looks on the angles of this car. That interior is sexy though. It really is, guys. Then we're gonna move on to the SVJ in a really cool, it's like a matte gloss cherry red color. The interior matches the exterior. This is another very sexy car. These things are so loud. When you straight pipe these things, they sound insane. Here's another car that is absolutely amazing. The Revuelto. This car from E mode to full on gas power mode sounds so powerful, like an Aventador. This car is beautiful. This color is something called Scandal.
That is crazy. Look at the Hard Rock Hotel. That is wild.
Now we're gonna head over to the Bellagio and check out a really cool store.
All right, so we're here at the beautiful Bellagio, and they have a Ferrari store, and we're gonna go into it. Check this out. They have designer purses, paint to sample. Is that what you call it? Whatever you call this. You know what I mean. But they have cool stuff here for Ferrari, a brand, man. Keychains, gloves. They even have these cool little models. Look at that. That is so cool. Unique Formula One car. On an SP1 Manza. A full transmission and engine here. This is really cool, guys. Look at that. This is nice. F8 Tributo. And of course the SF90, and then everyone's favorite, the F40. These are probably really expensive. I don't even think they're for sale, to be honest with you. Wow. Charles Leclerc, year 2020. Break this. It's so cool. I am impressed. Very impressed. Over here, let's see, got pens, they have suits. Look at this jacket. Holy smokes. Ferrari branded. This is very cool, guys. Ray-Ban sponsored with Ferrari. Really cool stuff. And then they have the shoes, which I always wanted a pair of shoes of these. These are really nice. I like these right here. And then of course the hats. The hats are probably the coolest thing for me. I really like hats. This is a nice color. You look like this guy right here. He's sexy and he knows it. I'm gonna go on this one. This is for ladies. It's really nice. This is a really cool store. The polos, branded, of course. Here at the Bellagio, as you can see, they have really pretty outside views of the pool. Oh, that's cool. And they also have a really cool garden too. So really fun. I'm gonna show you guys the pool out here. Look at this. It's so sunny here in Las Vegas. This is a pool here at the Bellagio. It's really epic. I like this. This is really awesome.
All right, guys. Later today, I have a surprise for you. We are gonna go see a very, very loud Ferrari. It's gonna be epic. It's gonna be nice. Stay tuned. Don't click anywhere. You're gonna be in for a treat. It's gonna be awesome. And then we're gonna go watch the water show over here at the Bellagio, but it's over right by the Strip, kind of by the Carbone restaurant. It's gonna be epic. You're gonna love it. It's gonna be cool. Don't click out, guys. Keep watching. You're gonna be in for a treat. The pool out here is crazy, guys. It really is.
Which is really cool. Again, Bellagio. Really sunny. And hot. Sunny and hot. Oh, look at this pool here. This is nice scenery right here. Look at this. There you go. That's awesome, man. Party time. No party time for me. Gotta keep grinding for you guys.
As you guys are enjoying this beautiful water show here at the Fountain of the Bellagio, I want to talk to you guys about Vegas, man. The car scene in Vegas is epic. Vegas in general is actually cool. I thought it was going to be like, oh my goodness, it's too much, but no, it's actually really cool. Of course, they have some really cool events throughout the year. They have Concours d'Elegance. They have SEMA, which is a show that I want to go to so bad, so hopefully someday. But yeah, Concours d'Elegance, they have a bunch of rallies that go through here. It's just an epic car scene, and I want to come back and do more car stuff and film for you guys and show you guys the car lifestyle out here. Of course, you know, I'm gonna have some food vlogs here and there in between with, you know, the videos to make a storyline and all that fun stuff. Anyhow, the casinos are cool. The food is really good. We tried a bunch of cool restaurants out here. In general, guys, visit Vegas. If you guys have never been here, it's beautiful. This water show is amazing. Look how beautiful. Look at that. Just look at that. And now, here is the Ferrari. One thing I forgot to mention besides Formula One Arcade is Formula One, the actual Formula One here in Las Vegas. I forgot to mention about it. This is one of their tracks, and it's epic. And I also forgot one more thing, the Sphere. This thing has to be the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life. The coolest structure ever created. It cost $2.3 billion to make this thing. Not only that, it has enough energy to power 21,000 homes, and 70% of that is solar. Here's another crazy fact about this thing. It took the largest crane in the world. It took 120 trucks just to deliver this thing and 18 days to assemble this. So here's another crazy thing about the Sphere. It's covered in 1.2 million LEDs to create this cool screen here that you can see playing with the Formula One car. Not only that, those 1.2 million LEDs is enough to cover across 10 football fields. That is freaking crazy. 10 football fields of LEDs. Wow. And the craziest thing of all, guys, is that you can see this thing from outer space. Now, here is the craziest thing about the Sphere, in my opinion. Inside the Sphere, guys, it's got 10,000 seats that physically vibrate, blow wind at you, and also change temperatures to match whatever's being played on the world's biggest screen. That is freaking wild. coolest thing ever. I didn't get to experience this, guys, but next time I will.